Imagine a future fueled by the sun, trapped in a machine, providing us with limitless energy, where every inhale is of cleaner air and all waste will be converted into a new fuel to be reused over and over again, rather than ending up in landfill. Our universal reach could stretch beyond the solar system, and all harmful illnesses could be eradicated in the blink of an eye. This isn't some fantasy out of a science fiction novel. This is the promise of a world functioning on the supercharged fuel that is plasma. This energy source could bring upon a new era, the end of fossil fuels and a fuel from the stars. Plasma fusion is the key to limitless clean power, which impersonates the stars themselves. But what is plasma? Plasma is the fourth state of matter, characterized by the presence of a significant portion of charged particles. MIT scientists describe plasma as superheated matter, so hot that the electrons are ripped away from the atom, forming an ionized gas. This plasma can be found in stars, nebulas, and the auroras, and is not to be confused with the plasma found in blood or lightning. If you're still confused, don't worry about it. The only plasma that I'd heard of until a few years ago was for the old TV on my parents' living room wall. But the plasma revolution has already begun. With technological advancements like ITER, the world's largest plasma fusion reactor, the dawn of the plasma age could be ushered in as early as 2025. However, plasma's superpowers stretch far beyond energy and have technological uses too. Imagine tiny chips of foldable phones printed using plasma in immense detail. We could forge strong, lightweight materials in its fiery embrace that could revolutionize aircrafts. How? We can replace the mechanical flaps and pass an electrical current through electrodes, which generates an ionized field along the wingtips that is better than hydraulic flaps at increasing lift, drag, and allowing planes to fly at lower speeds. Plasma also holds many medicinal uses. It can sterilize medical instruments in an instant, helping to protect and save lives. Plasma sterilization is a process using an ionized gas to disinfect these instruments. The plasma is generated by applying an electric field to the gas, creating a plasma cloud that destroys all the harmful microorganisms. This can also help with the longevity of prosthetics. Plasma even has promise when it comes to battling cancer, potentially holding the key to destroying this harmful mutation. Plasma-activated media is a liquid which is created when plasma is exposed to another liquid. This targets the cancer cells with pinpoint precision, forming a reactive oxygen species that damages the cancer cell's DNA, leading to their death. Our future does not have to be suffocated by the chokehold of pollution either. Plasma air and water purification can cleanse the world of contamination, leaving it crystal clean. Plasma air purifiers emit positive and negative ions that filter the air from pollutants. They work on the principles of ion emission, electric technology attraction, and filters. We can even turn waste into wonder, using plasma to convert it into valuable fuels and chemicals. Finally, space exploration will be able to soar to previously unimaginable heights. Supercharged engines will be able to propel our spacecraft with increased efficiency, sowing the seeds for quick and easy missions to Mars and beyond. With the help of plasma, we can propel our rockets, while the magnetic field generated by the plasma captures all the wasted energy and reuses it over and over again. With the help of plasma, we can make a trip to Mars in a staggering 27 days, compared to 5 to 8 months currently. We could have lunar factories producing resources in space, fueling our ambitions in the stars. So if this is such an amazing resource, then why aren't we using it yet all the time? The answer is, in short, that as it is a new technology, it is still expensive, and there are lots of things that we do not know about this mystical state of matter. Including the R&D, plasma will cost trillions of dollars to replace all other sources of energy and become our primary energy source. However, when we get it up and running, the hope is that plasma will cost from 1 to 10 cents per kilowatt hour, cheaper than we currently pay for electricity at a current 25 cents per kilowatt hour. This makes plasma cheaper than both fossil fuels and solar energy. This can be our future. The tantalizing promise of plasma points to a healthier, cleaner world, brimming with endless possibilities. Let's harness its power and build a future shining as bright as 1,000 stars.